The price surge of ImmutableX came as a surprise to the market, as the altcoin took the lead in the cryptocurrency market rally on Friday. The alternative cryptocurrency reached its highest point in 45 days and successfully transformed several resistance levels into stable support levels. And IMX reached a peak of 77 cents, marking a 33% increase from its starting price. Nevertheless, this upward momentum couldn't be maintained and is now a potential threat to the breakout from a descending resistance line for IMX. And then it seems the notable surge in the price of IMX can be attributed in part to the implementation of the IMX Korean One trading pair on Upbit, a cryptocurrency exchange based in South Korea. The inclusion of this listing on Upbit resulted in a significant boost, accounting for over 35% of the global trading activity for IMX. This allowed direct trading with the Korean won and increased South Korean trader interest in BW. ImmutableX's IMX token skyrocketed over 30% following the listing of IMX Korean won pair on South Korea's leading exchange at official_Upbit. The newly listed IMX KRW pair on Upbit exchange accounted for nearly 20% of the global trading volume. A Gecko terminal, and in September 21, 2023, so according to data source CoinGecko, the IMX Korean won pair listed on South Korea's Upbit exchange accounted for roughly 20% of worldwide activity, followed by Binance's IMX Tether, IMX Nationalist DT, which contributed 7% to total volume. A number of other wallets observed millions of dollars worth of IMX, according to the Web3 data research application Milk and Chain, even though the precise reasons driving up the prices are yet unknown. Whales are essential to the dynamics of the market, since they own about 87% of the circulating supply of IMX. Their presence can cause losses for other investors, and claims their activities have a major impact on the market. A number of significant transactions, those over $100,000, has been quite modest in recent weeks, averaging about 7 million, with sporadic little rises occurring every few days. Whale trades barely reached $22.6 million in the last 24 hours. At the time of writing, IMX was trading at $66, up 33% in the last 7 days. Data from crypto market tracker CoinGecko shows. Meanwhile, according to the data provided by CoinGlass, there's evidence of traders actively engaging in short selling of IMX derivatives. This is evident from the notable increase in negative funding rates observed on perpetual swaps. Despite the recent surge, the native token of ImmutableX remains far below its all-time highs recorded during the crypto market bull run at the end of last year. IMX educated every single campus on the line or some by the OK nearly 7 days and dial-us losters. And although the price of the IMX has demonstrated considerable strength, investors should be vigilant for indications of sustained momentum above important support levels and be wary of any potential pullbacks. While the positive signs suggest IMX could remain a market challenger, traders should always put risk management first.